Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the neon text effect. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is type out your text. Select the text layer, right click the text layer and convert it to a smart object. Go to Effects, Blending Modes, enable the color overlay, put it to white, drag the opacity to 100%. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Put the radius to 0.6. Press Command J or Control J on PC and select the Gaussian blur and put it to 3 pixels. Select that layer, duplicate it again, go to Gaussian blur, put the radius to 15. Duplicate it again, go to Gaussian blur, put the radius to 30. Duplicate it again, go to Gaussian blur, put the radius to 70. Duplicate it again, go to Gaussian blur, put the radius to 260. Duplicate it again, go to Gaussian blur and put it to 450. Go to the first layer and put the blend mode to screen. Holding shift, select all the layers and press Command G to group them, or on PC Ctrl G. Change the blending mode of the whole group to screen. Go into the group, select the first layer, go to the adjustment layers, go to solid color, choose black. Press OK. Drag the layer to the back of the group. You can close the folder, go to adjustment layers and put gradient map. Click here to open the gradient settings. Make sure to put the first color as black and the last color as white. I'm going to make 2 colors. Let's say I want the color red. The first color should be a darker red and the second color should be a lighter red. Just like that, we created a neon text layer. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.